Guys, let's do a sound check on my Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory and Sean's beautiful Panigale V4 SP. Oh yes. Let's start with Aprilia's V4. Listen to this. Up next is the Panigale V4 SP. Oh, bag of nails. Put it in neutral. Hopefully find neutral. There we go. That was quick actually. Ready? Ah, this sound makes me so joyous. Vote below which one you like better. Ah, yours sounds unreal. Sorry.